Hey guys, good morning. I thought I would do a little vlog style video for you guys. I've never really done one of these before, so it could be really interesting or really boring. Let's just go with the flow. I did just wake up and do my workout, so you guys can see I'm in my workout clothes, no makeup, and hair is like a complete mess. I did go for a long run. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you guys know that I go to the pond almost every single day to see the little baby swan, so I do that in my Instagram stories. I also have been seeing these gorgeous blue heron lately as well. Our place is just surrounded by lots of gorgeous birds that I've really never seen before, so it's just been really fun to do that. So since I've actually missed the last couple videos, I thought I would pop on here and show you why I've missed them, because I have been super busy with work lately. Thank you guys so much. I did just do a humongous new release day on Tuesday, and you guys were super supportive. And so today I'm going to be wrapping up a bunch of those orders. So I did come out with binders in my shop. So they're clear, like PVC binders. I absolutely love them. I've had them for almost a year now, and I had initially planned on selling them at conventions, but since I haven't been to a convention lately, I thought I would sell them in my shop. I like to use them for a planner or list taking. I also like to use them to organize all of my stickers, so I'll show you probably a little glimpse of that today. What I am going to be doing is building the binder, because I do have an option of them being sold as fully loaded, which means that it comes with 12 different dividers. So I make these actual dividers by hand, and there is this one option for now. I may come out with other options as well. So it's this gorgeous planner girl, and then on the back here has the Bolderbon logo. So I will be building all of these binders today, and then showing you my process. So let's go ahead and get started. Maybe I'll clean up throughout the video. Alright, so the first thing I'm doing this morning is writing my to-do list of all the things I want to get done today. You guys know, if you see my Plan With Me videos, that is the first thing that I do every single morning, is sit down and write my top 3 things that I want to accomplish that day, and then I also write in like all other things that I want to get done but doesn't have to be a priority. So today my top 3 things are, first, to do all of my orders from Tuesday, and then also I want to come up with a circle sticker design with my Bolderbon logo. It might just be simple as that, and just put the Bolderbon logo on a circle sticker. I'm going to use that to seal the tissue paper that I'm going to use to wrap the binders in. And then I also want to come up with a square sticker design that says Bolderbon as well, so that I can actually seal the box with that sticker instead of using clear masking tape. I want it to be a little bit extra special. So those are my top 3 things that I want to accomplish today. Now anything else is extra. As long as I get those 3 things done, then I will be happy with today. And that actually is a lot, even though it doesn't sound like it, but orders can take all day long. So let's go ahead and get started. right, so I got all of my sticker cutting done. I haven't actually put on any makeup or done my hair, but I did put on a little dress. I don't think I'll be doing my makeup or hair today because I still have a lot of work to do. I did come up with a couple of designs for the boxes. So I have the square box here, the one with the little dots. Now, I have been using the dots on the side border of my sticker pages a lot lately, so I thought that that might be really cute to do around the Bolderbon there. But I also did one with the gorgeous flowers that I used for the Planner Girl dashboards, like the dividers for the binders, and I thought that looked really nice and elegant as well. I am kind of leaning towards this, but I really do think that this might look a little bit better on the boxes, and since I already use it as my side border, I might go with the dots. Let me know down below what you guys prefer. I'll probably go with the dots for now, but if you guys are leaning more towards the flowers, definitely let me know. I don't know if I'm stuck on either one of the choices for now. And then I wanted to thank you guys for all of your support over the brand new August kits that I came out with on Tuesday. Now, this is the first time ever that I have released all of my kits with our own designs. The bullet journal kit has always been our own designs, but I just didn't know if you guys liked it enough to branch out into all of the other collections that I have for, like the Erin Condren, the personal size planner, the budget, and the monthly pages and all that stuff. So I have been so happy that you guys really enjoyed all of this stuff. So the brand new kit that I came out with is called Believe, and that is like a fairy design that we have come up with. I absolutely love it. I just wanted to thank you guys so much because that really means a lot to me. It definitely helps to hear your guys' feedback, whether you guys like our designs or not. So, all right, so I'm almost done for the day. I'm going to get the binders wrapped up and head to the post office, and I'll see you in a moment. Oh my gosh, guys, I had to show you. Patty has taken over one of my brand new boxes that I just got. I'm testing out all of the labels that I just printed out, and I thought I would put one of those Bolderbon ones on the side there, but like I said, she's already claimed this box as her own. She usually sleeps in an Erin Condren box, but she must know that this is Mommy's new box. So, oh my gosh, how cute. She's like, get the light off of my face, Mommy. Alright, so you guys can see these are completely handmade. So I make the dividers, I punch them, and then I put them inside the planner. I also have the clear stickers here that I'm going to be putting inside. They have the option to get a fully loaded or a basic binder. The fully loaded comes with 12 of these dividers and then one of each of the planner clear stickers, and then the like sticker book organizing stickers, and then you can buy the like dividers separately. I think on the shop it says that you just get like the front and then the back side is blank. I might change that because I really do like the fact that each one of them is like all original. No one gets the same exact divider layout. You guys can hear I'm actually printing out a bunch more stickers, so I thought I was done with stickers, but I'm not. So there's always something to do here. I'm making myself a little snack, and I thought I would show you guys. I have this stone ground like wafer. I'm not quite sure what it's called. I threw away the package a bit ago. Christopher Allen actually had one of these in one of his videos, and I was like, oh, I have to try that. I just put a little bit of peanut butter on top, and then I'm also going to put a couple of bananas. I think I'll put like 6 of them, and then I'll also put a little bit of honey on top. I just find that having just a touch of honey is really nice and helps get me motivated to keep on going with the day. I really would like another cup of coffee, but I think that this will help, and water will probably be better for me. And then I also have an orange over here. I already have like a little slice taken out of there, but I think I'm gonna eat the whole thing. So that's gonna be my little mid snack. All right, so I'm wrapping up the binders now. I have this pink tissue paper here. Each order this week also gets a little packet of these die cuts here. The die cuts are of Ellie and boxes, some of Sweet Cakes balloons. They're all fun goodies in here. So each order, no like specific price that you have to meet, just every order this week will get a little die cut. And the big reason is because they were supposed to be released in my shop on Tuesday and I totally forgot to release them. So I figured I wanted to give back to you guys. So they will be released next week though. And then each order that spends $30 or more this week also gets an Oops bundle. I like to actually print out these little Oops stickers and put them on each one of the stickers. And the reason being is because if for some reason one of my customers gives it to a friend or like somebody else, I don't want them to think that there's flaws with my stickers, if that makes sense. So I like to put that on there. I mean, obviously they can cut it off, but I like to have it just so that they know it was an Oops sticker sheet, especially if they buy from my shop regularly and then they just thought like, oh, whoa, she like really screwed that one up. So Oops to me is really important to just put on there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this binder together. Alright, so this is what the first one looks like, and now I have a ton more to do after this. Alright guys, I think that's it for the day. I am pretty pooped here. I have been working non-stop since this morning, and you guys see I didn't even like do my hair or makeup today, which is totally fine, not like I went out today. So this is what the box is going to look like if you ordered a binder, and thank you so much if you do. I really appreciate it, and it was just so much fun to come up with some extra Bolderbon touches for the box. So yeah, I think I really do like the dots after all. So let me know down below what you guys thought of the vlog today. I know it's kind of boring, but at least it gave you an idea of what I'm doing all day long. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more vlogs, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!